most of you are going to be new because I'm filming this video as a request from a video I posted on my TikTok. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your eyeliner on hooded eyes. I get the struggle. Hopefully I can help everybody and we can get it right. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I have foundation on, but I'm going to get this off. Go ahead and get your mirror ready so that we can kind of follow through with it together. Okay, so I have the eyeliner all off of my eye line. So now I'm going to get out my eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner. I use the Sephora brand. It looks like this. This is what it looks like. This is the waterproof one, which it is amazing. It does not move. I rub my eyes, I squint, and it stays. This is what the tip looks like. First thing is first, so you can see my eyes. Okay, I have pretty round eyes. The hood goes over this. We've got see how the skin kind of folds over the side as well. Okay, first I'm going to show you guys what I meant by the curl, which is what we were really avoiding because I can't stand when my eyeliner kind of curls with the skin of my eye. It is the worst thing. If that's how yours looks, that is okay. Everyone does their makeup differently. I just don't like that. So I'm gonna kind of do it how everyone says to do it, like people with bigger eyelids basically. I'm going to show you how it kind of curls. Okay, so you can see how I have it pointed up towards my eyebrow tail, which is how people who have open eyelids tell you how to do it. Like, look. And yeah, we're going to avoid it kind of curling with the eye. That is not what we want. That is what I was referencing to when I was talking about the curl. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off because I hate it. It's gross. So not only am I going for the right liner for my hooded eye, but I'm going for something that will kind of pull my eyes more cat eye-like instead of them being so round, because my eyes are pretty round. We're gonna be looking at the top of my ear and my eye. So aim for it to go straight instead of curling up. And we're gonna look straight and keep the eye open. Okay, and we have that little line. It kind of curls with my lashes, and it doesn't go on the fold of my eyelid. And then we're gonna go into get from the corner right here and connect that. We're gonna bring this bottom part straight out. And see how that is down turned towards my ear. This is what we're going to build off of right here. I don't mind it at all because the way the eyeliner is, it's winged with my eyelashes, which is, the eyelashes are a good guide because they're shaped to your eye, and that is what you want to wing off of. You kind of want to bring your eyeliner out a little further than your eyelid fold and then start winging it. You see that kind of brings my eye out already. That's exactly what we want. And when we look straight ahead, the eyeliner is not curled with this eye fat, I guess you can call it. bring that together. Oh no, I really got that messed up. Oh. And when you do your eyeliner in your waterline, you want it to be literally in your waterline. This is a mistake I used to make because I was scared of things touching my eyes. You put that liner in your waterline, okay? It goes in there. Okay, so I did kind of wipe the other side up a little bit to clean that up. And this is it for the outer part. If you want to bring it out more, you definitely can build it on that. And I'm going to start lining my inner corner, which I always mess up on because I don't like my looks too thick, and sometimes I get it a little too thick. I usually touch up like little tiny things with my Stella liner pen. We don't want this part too thick on where our eyelid's actually showing, so I'm using this fine tip. Okay, so that is it for this eyeliner look. I'm going to show you guys the different light because the light definitely changes how it looks in my eyes. Okay, so this is my eyeliner in the same light that I posted my TikTok in yesterday. But look at that. Looks so good. I love it. I love how subtle it looks, and it makes my eyes look so good, and it accentuates them so well. And if you don't get the tutorial right the first time, just practice, practice, practice. I promise you, you will get it. If I can do it, then anybody can do it. I will never do it any other way after this. Like, this is perfect. Oh my god. Okay, so that is it for the eyeliner tutorial. You can tell how my eyes look less round already, especially when I look straight, and that is what I love about this. Of course, I'm going to keep practicing this look because I don't think I could do it on my eye makeup without messing it up. When you're practicing, have like a makeup wipe with you to wipe certain spots away. As you can see when I look down, that curliness with my eyebrow skin isn't curling up my eyeliner. I really hope this helped you guys. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you are from TikTok, please follow me. I just bought so much makeup that I plan on doing some looks with, especially being quarantined. So if you're interested in that, you can go ahead and follow me. If you would like to see more from me and my channel, then give me a subscribe. If you like this, if it helped you at all, give it a thumbs up or a comment. If you have any questions, comment. If you came from TikTok, comment, and I will be happy to respond to anything. And if you're not from TikTok and you follow me on my YouTube, I will link my TikTok below. Thank you so much for watching again. I really appreciate it.